You can stitch the cuff same like the collar. First you have to fuse in upper part. After that you can fold this one part, and this pattern is also available. This is the ready pattern, cuff ready pattern, same like the collar, and you can draw the line and stitch, and after stitching you can iron same like the collar. After stitching you can iron the seam like the collar. After iron you can cut the excess fabric. Just leave the stitching margin. And after that, this is the sleeve part, this is the sleeve part, and you can put like this and stitch. Okay, I show you. Already notch is mentioned, pleat notches is already, and one pleat in the front side, pleat notch is available, and another one pleat you can adjust pleat in the side seam. You can adjust in the side seam. So both side is pleat. One is front side pleat, one pleat, and one is back side sleeve, but back side pleat in the side seam. When you stitch the cuff, you can overlap the side seam little bit according to cuff. And after that I am going to stitch the top stitch. halves is done. The one pleat in the front side, placket side, and one is a small pleat in the back side is under placket side. Okay, and after that, when you stitch the bottom hem, you just stitch the normally. You can just fold. First you have to fold with one stitch. After that you can fold in top stitch. Okay, I hope you understand.